What inspires change? What motivates us? It's what's inside that moves us. What moves you? Get the Scion story at Scion.com.
We, the jury in the above entitled case, find the defendant Anthony T. Kenga guilty. We, the people in the above entitled case, find the defendant David Q. Manila for verdict form number 1, charge 1, count 1, and that would be conspiracy to commit kidnapping. Guilty.
Little emotion could be seen from the faces of disgraced cops David Manila and Anthony Kenga as the guilty verdicts poured in one by one. The former officers were found guilty in all 16 charges against them. They include conspiracy to commit kidnapping, criminal sexual conduct or rape, kidnapping, felonious restraint, and official misconduct. The jury spent 4 days in intense deliberations after analyzing 4 weeks of emotional testimony that was given by 9 female victims, some of whom were violently raped by the defendants while in uniform. Assistant Attorney General Basil O'Malley says he was extremely pleased with the outcome and he will be recommending life sentences for both the defendants.
I want to get across is, these are just 2 individuals, there were 3 altogether, but who were bad apples in the bunch, but the rest of the crew is a tremendous crew. I'm very saddened because these are officers that took an oath to uphold the law and they violated their oath.
What kind of sentencing will you be recommending for the police officers?
I fully anticipate we're going to be seeking life sentences.
Meanwhile, defense attorneys, as expected, expressed their frustration not just with the outcome of the trial, but with the way the case was handled. Attorney Terry Timblin for David Manila.
Obviously, we are seriously disappointed, and as I just told the other lady, there are substantial legal issues that were not really addressed by the trial court, and there will be an appeal.
What are the legal issues?
Defects in the indictment, the criminal sexual conduct were basically charged 2 offenses, but it should have charged only 1. Kidnapping charges are, how would you put it, defective in that they say something about kidnapping for the purpose of committing a felony. It doesn't say what the felony was. We believe that is, they have to specify that. They didn't.
Attorney Sylvia Stake, who represents Kenga, also believes the indictment was flawed.
When the 4th superseding indictment came down, nobody knew that when they said that it was only a simple change in birth date, it was a change of girl, of victim. That's what it was. So the criminal sexual conduct that they had on the books on the 3rd superseding indictment and the others that carried that charge was against the sister, Arita, not Arneen. And that's the reason why the media had carried the story that he had raped a girl that was 16 years old. And it was the wrong girl.
Potential appeal?
I hope he does. I don't think that I'll be the one. I think he should get someone, else to do it. But I hope he does. But the thing is, it's very hard to overturn a jury verdict, and the discretion is all with the court. So I just feel sorry that he didn't have better representation. I feel like I failed him.